Box cover, this is Duttyberry and welcome to a brand new countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. Now, this countdown quickie is all about Cardi B and OffSet, her husband, celebrating his birthday, his 31st birthday in Jamaica.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. That's not over. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Let me just give you the info. So Cardi B and OffSet, they headed to the North Coast to celebrate OffSet's 31st birthday. Now, if you don't know OffSet, he's from the group Migos. So, you know, recently Migos, they you know, were dealing with the loss of Takeoff, and so OffSet is here in Jamaica now to celebrate and I guess to put himself in better spirits. And so he came here with his wife Cardi B as well as their own entourage, including Cardi B's sister Hennessy. No,
Gal. Don't go by this video. I'm really taller than her.
No, they headed to the North Coast, you know, had some fun there, celebrated his birthday. Cardi B gave him a special treatment, decked out their hotel room with roses, petals, and all of these things, much to the satisfaction of OffSet.
Hey, happy birthday, happy birthday, it's your birthday, Mom.
Me not like it. Kiari, happy birthday, sexy. I love you.
She was like, you caught up with the Queen. You watched the show without you.
I didn't. I haven't watched The Crown without you, and I wanted to, but I was like, I'm not going to without you.
Said the last episode named Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
But I don't know.
Oh, yeah, man.
That's how you coming?
That's how I'm coming for my boo. That's how I'm coming for my baby daddy. My baby daddy, you deserve it.
Okay. Ooh, we got the flowers out in the back. What this is over here? What is this?
And so Cardi B posted on her social media this message to her husband OffSet. Happy birthday to my love. I pray, oh God, I can't do a good accent. Happy birthday, my love. I pray silently and pray loudly on this post that God bless you and protect you. Thank you for your love to me. I love you forever and beyond. That was just the worst Cardi B impression ever in life. And this is what her husband OffSet posted to his social media. He just simply wrote, happy birthday to me, while posting this picture of them at Duns River Fall in a one little bend over backpackers position. True dancehall style. Now, one of the first things to kick this off was that OffSet and Cardi B, apparently they kind of snuck into the RIU Hotel's staff party.
A real staff party that was held at Margaritaville Luxurious, and Cardi B and OffSet crashed the party. Like, yeah, that's Hennessy, the whole gang. She literally walked right past me, still in shock. I don't think they even know it was a staff party. They just heard the music and then they came over. It wasn't that crowded, so we got a lot of videos and stuff like that with her. And I actually got to talk to her. Right in this clip, she was telling me she wants some liquor. Then she called me closer to ask where's the spot for tonight after the party ends. And then I sent her to 8 Rivers, the 8 Rivers boss. If she end up come up there, and me send Cardi up there. And the next thing I know, I was in their private section partying with Cardi B and Offset. Didn't get any pictures because it happened so fast, and the securities, they didn't really want, like, you know, pictures with like flash and stuff, so that was kind of limited. But she was so sweet. She smells so good. She's so tiny and she's so beautiful. Oh my god, it's like a dream. I can't believe, like, I was literally talking to this woman. She was whispering in my ear. I didn't get any videos of that, but yeah, memories.
Then they went to Dunn's River. They also went to Margaritaville. They went to Blue Hole in Ocho Rios. All of these things.
I hate the ocean.
Games on speed.
No, come on. Yo! Like a bag of money.
Hey, man.
Alright, shut up! Y'all go over there, so I'm saying them to you.
I'm scared. Yeah. Me not like it. Me not like it, man. Oh, man, I'm scared, man. Husband. Oh, I'm so scared. They keep going so fast.
We on the island for.
Oh, look at that baby.
Yeah, man.
My granddaughter.
No way.
Yeah, I'm telling you.
That's the mom.
That's their mom.
Hi, little baby. So cute.
Say, hey, mama. She's sleeping.
And so after all of that fun was had, they headed to Kingston to the Rummage Entertainment for games night. And while there, trust me, the people them put on a show for the entertainers. All in all, it seems as if it was just a grand time. Like, even when they were in the car, they were listening to dancehall music, and I was just like, wow. You see the songs that they listen to, they love the early 90s dancehall, the 2000s dancehall that really had that good Jamaican rhythm. The instrumental, like, them songs that them seem like them really love, and them familiar with it, them know it. And point of information, boy, Cardi B's sister really stay good. That girl stay good. NSC is very proper. Cardi B look good. The whole entire entourage just act like. But one of the things that many people were noticing was the fact that there is something about the Jamaican ear. It just knocked down your looks by 10 points. No matter how you might look in America, when you come Jamaica, it's like it just carry you down. It just bring you down. I don't know if for the hard life, we just box the camera lens them and just reduce everybody level. I don't know.
No, the man is them.
So they have been touring. No word yet on if they will be at the Burna Boy concert at the National Stadium on Sunday, but we do know that Offset will be at the Mecca in Kingston, to host the party at the club. Now I hope that Cardi B is there, because I think Cardi B would have just like left Offset, you know, by himself with all of them like a good Jamaican dolly here. We're gonna rush out and try to see if them can make the headlines and be a part of Shade Room and the Neighborhood Talk and TMZ and all of them something here. Yeah, because them Jamaican girl and them are gonna do what they need to do for secure a little money going into the new year. So I think that Cardi B will definitely be there to be by her husband's side to make sure it's no little drama not gonna unfold while he is here in Jamaica. So I'm just very glad to see that they seem to be enjoying themselves and sharing all of the fun that Jamaica has to offer, and I like that they're not limiting themselves to the hotels, that they're actually immersing themselves in the culture and really getting a true sense of what dancehall and Jamaican entertainment is. So that is it enough for this countdown quickie, burritos. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you did, you know, hit the usual subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, and yeah man, tata, that's it for this countdown quickie, where I will be giving you a trending topic in a jiffy. See you next time.